Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to use Shopify for beginners in 2026. If you're completely new and want to start an online store from scratch, this guide will walk you through the basics step by step. Yeah, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Shopify's official website. Then sign up using your email and create your store account. Once you're inside your dashboard, this is your main control panel where everything happens. Now start by choosing a theme. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and pick a design that matches your business style. Next, add your products. Click Products, then Add Product, and upload images, write descriptions, and set prices. After that, set up your payment method. Go to Settings and then Payments so you can accept money from customers. Now configure your shipping settings so customers know delivery costs and options. Next, customize your homepage and store layout using the theme editor to make your store look professional. You can also install apps from the Shopify App Store to add extra features like reviews, marketing, and sales tools. Once everything is ready, remove the password protection and make your store live for customers. And that's it. Now you know how to use Shopify as a beginner from start to finish. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Shopify guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.